How's it going, guys? Welcome back. I've been MIA for a couple of months. I'm gonna tell you guys why, for various reasons. A lot has happened between the last video I shot and just you know, life events that happened. But yeah, so today we're doing an install finally again on the Subaru project. We're actually going to be installing a downpipe on it, removing the OEM one and installing a catless one. And we're going to do a comparison difference on sound. And as far as performance, I won't be able to push it today, as far as because we need to tune the car. But yeah. So there's 5 bolts with nuts securing the downpipe to the turbo. Basically what you will need is a 14 key and a 13 socket or a 14 socket to remove all 5 of the bolts with nuts. And then there's 2 more down at the downpipe, under the downpipe connected. Believe it's the same size, but we'll check it out right now. Okay, so here's the downpipe connection. There's 2 bolts, one here, one over there, and we just gotta disconnect the O2 sensor up here, and the downpipe should be coming out loose. Alright guys, so we finally took the downpipe. The last screw, or the nut, was super hard to get off, and it was already starting to strip. So we're gonna have to definitely change this out. You can see the comparison here. This is the OEM. This is the one we're gonna install. It is a used one, but you know, I got it off a running car. Everything works good. Okay, so the bolts and nuts are secured down there. Now we just gotta secure all 5 of those and we're good to go. I already had a new gasket installed before when I removed the turbo and installed it. So there is a new seal here and a new gasket in the back of the downpipe too.